Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. Today we are going to do present perfect tense. Present means मौजूदा time. Perfect means the work that has been completed. यानी कि ऐसा काम जो मुकम्मल हो चुका है और जिसको मज़ीद करने की गुंजाइश नहीं. For example, if I say मैं 8वीं जमात का इम्तिहान पास कर चुकी हूँ, which means this is the work or an action that you have done and there is no need to do that again. So what would be the ideology of this tense? इन फिक्रात के आखिर में चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं वगैरह आता है और ऐसे फिक्रात जिसमें ने का इस्तेमाल होता है उसके आखिर में लिया है, ली है, लिए हैं वगैरह आता है. मिसाल के तौर पे मैं खाना पका चुकी हूँ, मौसम सरमा ख़त्म हो चुका है, उसने अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लिया है. So that's how we are going to identify them in Urdu, and the question is how are we going to translate them into English? And the methodology is, first of all we have subject, the person who is doing a work, and then we have helping verb has and have, then we have third form of the verb and then object. This is the methodology that we are going to follow in affirmative or assertive sentences. Then we have the methodology of negative, which means that shows negation. First of all we have subject, has and have, not, third form of the verb and then object. And if we want to change this into interrogative, this helping verb would come at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, third form of the verb, then object and a question mark. And has will be using with he, she, it and with the singular, and have will be using with I, we, you, they and with the plural. For instance, with the children we'll be using have, with child we'll be using has, with boy we'll be using has, and with boys we'll be using have. Before moving towards the exercise, let's just have a quick review. Present perfect means the work that has been completed. इन फिक्रात के आखिर में चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं वगैरह आता है और ऐसे फिक्रात जिनमें ने का इस्तेमाल होता है उनके आखिर में लिया है, ली है, लिए हैं वगैरह आता है. And then comes the methodology. First of all we need to have subject, then helping verb, has and have, third form of the verb, then object. Has we use with he, she, it and singular. Have we use with I, we, you, they and plural. Now we have an exercise on page number 81. Number 1 we have clock 4 बजा चुका है. The clock has struck 4. Number 2 उम्मीदवार पर्चा हल कर चुके हैं. Now उम्मीदवार are plural, so we'll be using have. The candidates have solved the paper. Number 3 मेहमान ख़ुसूसी इनाम तकसीम कर चुका है. The guest of honor has given away the prizes. Number 4 प्रिंसिपल ने तलबा को असनाद दे दी हैं. The principal has given away certificates to the students. Number 5 टीमें मैच खेल चुकी हैं. The teams have played the match. Number 6 अदालत मेरे हक में फैसला दे चुकी है. The court has decided in my favor. Number 7 बोर्ड ने नतीजे का ऐलान कर दिया है. The board has declared the result. चोर घर में नकब लगा चुके हैं. The thieves have broken into the house. Dear students, rest of this exercise is going to be your homework. Now on page number 82, we have the exercise of negative sentences. Number 1 we have उन्होंने गुमशुदा बच्चे की तलाश नहीं की है. They have not searched for the lost child. Number 2 आपने मेरी दरख्वास्त मंजूर नहीं की है. You have not accepted my application. Number 3 अदालत ने मुल्जिम की दरख्वास्त पर गौर नहीं किया है. The court has not considered the appeal of the accused. Number 4 उसने अपनी बीवी पर एतमाद नहीं किया है. He has not trusted his wife. Number 5. चौकीदार ने अपना फर्ज अदा नहीं किया है. The watchman has not done his duty. Number 6. तमाम मेहमान नहीं आ चुके हैं. All the guests have not arrived. Number 7. खिलाड़ियों को सर्द मशरूब नहीं दिए गए हैं. The players have not served with cold drinks. Number 8. कामयाब उम्मीदवार को असनाद नहीं दी गई हैं. The successful candidates have not been awarded certificates. Remaining exercise is going to be your homework. Now we are going to move towards page number 83. We have interrogative sentences now. Number 1 we have क्या तुम बाजी जीत चुके हो? Have you won the game? Number 2 क्या तुम्हारे साथी भाग चुके हैं? Have your companions run away? Number 3 डाकुओं ने अमीर आदमी को कहाँ लूटा है? Where have the dacoits looted the rich man? Number 4 आपने मेरे लिए टिकट क्यों खरीदा है? Why have you bought a ticket for me? Number 5 इस बच्चे को किसने बिगाड़ा है? Who has spoiled this child? Number 6 लड़की ने बोतल क्यों तोड़ दी है? Why has the girl broken this bottle? Number 7 वो छत से कैसे गिरा? How has he fallen from the roof? क्या असलम को खोई हुई रकम वापस मिल गई है? Has Aslam recovered his lost money?